The Toyota FJ40 2025 model reintroduces the legendary off-road classic with a modern twist, blending heritage design with advanced engineering. Its bold and boxy exterior retains the iconic retro silhouette, now refreshed with aerodynamic touches, LED lighting, and a tougher front grille that exudes rugged elegance. Larger 18-inch alloy wheels with all-terrain tires and matte finish bumpers complete its aggressive stance, making it unmistakably capable on and off the road. Under the hood, the FJ40 2025 is powered by a turbocharged 2.8L diesel engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This combination delivers robust torque for climbing hills and smooth cruising on highways. It offers both 4WD high and low modes, ensuring top performance whether you're crossing deserts, rivers, or city streets. The enhanced multi-link suspension system absorbs shocks efficiently, reducing cabin vibrations and keeping the ride stable. The road grip has been significantly improved thanks to traction control systems, locking rear differentials, and hill descent assist. This FJ40 grips surfaces like gravel, mud, and snow with confidence. On paved roads, it offers surprising smoothness and agility for a vehicle known for its trail-busting capabilities. The top speed reaches approximately 170 km per hour, with steady acceleration and precise steering. Inside, the FJ40 2025 surprises with a blend of utility and modern comfort. The dashboard is a fusion of old-school ruggedness and digital innovation, featuring a 10-inch touchscreen, analog dials, and retro-inspired air vents. Premium materials like soft leather and brushed aluminum line the cabin. The seats come in dual-tone leather, olive green and black, with red contrast stitching, adding a classic yet sporty vibe. Ample legroom, a durable rubber floor, and foldable rear seats make it as functional as it is stylish.